Hi guys, today I will show you step by step how you can easily do this intro slide for your presentation with some simple animation effects. But before we move on, please subscribe, leave a comment, like this video. You can leave a comment with the ideas that you would like to see next. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to copy our image. Make sure the image fits our slide perfectly. I will enlarge the image. So the next step is we need to make two copies, two duplicates of this slide. On this slide we will remove the right side of the picture and leave the left side including the building, and this will hide one of the words, and from this slide we will extract just the middle building, and I will show you how we do that. Let's zoom in a bit and then go into insert, shapes and freeform shape. Let's drag the line right on the edge of this building. And we will do the same here, and we don't need to extract the entire building. We will just extract the piece that will cover our text. So what we do now is clicking on the main picture, then holding Ctrl, select the shape, go into shape format, merge shapes and intersect, and we'll do the same here. This way we just get our pieces that we need. Let's insert our text now. So we will have two words, new and York. So we want the text to end up like this, but they will start in this position. I will change the color to gradient fill. Okay, so we've got a text, but now we need to figure out how this text comes from the left side to the right side, and it's not visible here but visible here, and how this text comes from the right side to the left, and again it's not visible here but becomes visible here. With this side it's pretty simple. We'll cover the York text by this part. However, it won't be possible to do the same with this side because one of the text will end up being under one of the sides. So while we will hide this under the part from slide number 2, for this text we will need to add animation, and we will use wipe animation. Select wipe animation and from the left, and then we will select line animation and we'll move the text in the place that we want. So to do this, just click on the red button here, hold it and move the box wherever we want. And let's go into animation pane and see that we have two animations for this text box. One is that it appears with wipe effect, and the second one that the text will move from this side to another. Let's make them let's combine them in one. So on the same click both animations will start, and then let's take a look first what we've got. So you see that the wipe effect starts at the same time as the text starts to move, but we want the wipe effect a bit later. Let's see how it looks now. right? But we cannot understand, is the text still visible here because we don't have our shape. Going to slide number 3, select, cut the shape, Ctrl X, go back on slide number 1 and paste it by clicking on Ctrl V. So you can see the shape copies right on the top of the building, so there is no difference to the actual image. Now, since this part is brought to the front, the text will go under it. Let's see how it looks. Looks good, but we still see some of the text on this side, meaning that we need to play around with this animation until we can see text appearing from the left side of the building and it's not visible on the right side. Okay, so I think we've played enough, and now we can see that the line animation for us is 2.2 seconds and the wipe animation is 1.3 seconds and starts at 0.5 seconds and ends at 1.8 seconds. I also went into effect options and made it by word. The delay between words is not relevant because we have just one word and it works fine. Now we will do line animation for our York word, for the second word. By default it's going down. Let's get the red button and drag the word in the place that we want. Okay. And let's make it of the same duration. And again, right click on the animation and click start with previous. Now the last piece is cut this part, bring to the top. It hides the York part, but it also hides our shape of the building, and it will hide the new text when this moves to the left side. This is why we send this part to the back, and we will send then the word York to the back as well. So this is what we've got. Let's remove the other slide. But when we go into the presentation mode, click. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video and find it useful, please give it a like, comment, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.